Look at these beautiful royal blue candy apples. I make my apples walk, dance, and shine. And yes, this is my runway. But first, let me introduce myself. I am the DIY Queen Diva. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to keep updated with me and all of my videos on the weekends and pop-up videos during the week. Six cups of sugar. 1 cup of Karo. 4 cups of water. Stir your candy mixture.
Now you made me almost forget 2 cups of sugar, fooling you. 6 cups of sugar. 6 cups of sugar.
4 cups of water and 1 cup of Karo syrup. So I am going to just keep stirring this candy mixture to make sure all the sugar and water and corn syrup is mixed up really well. I am adding Wilton's White. I am trying to achieve the milky look, and this prevents my apples from being translucent. I'm going to give it a good dab of white. Okay, so in order to make royal blue, I am going to use blue and purple, and these are cheap brands that I got from the Dollar Tree. So these are gel food colorings. I'm adding a good amount of purple. Now I am stirring this. After I stir this really well, I am going to add my blue here. I'm getting the sides because the food coloring can get on the side of the pot. So you want to make sure you get the gel food coloring from the side of the pot. Here is my blue. I'm going to give this a good stir, and I'm going to mix this really well to make sure all of my colors are blended and mixed well. I'm getting the side of the pot to make sure all the food coloring is blended well. I'm just making sure my colors are blended well. I need to put my flavoring in here and place this on the stove until it reaches 300 degrees. Now I am going to add my wooden sticks, and I am using my kitchen mallet to hammer down the wooden sticks into the apples. I will do this one by one. Candy has reached 300 degrees, and now it's time to dip my apples one by one. You want to make sure you place your apples all the way down inside the candy pot and rotate your apples. Scrape the bottom of your apples really good, and then place your apples on a silicone mat or parchment paper, whichever one you have. It really doesn't matter, they both get the job done.
Child, just wait till I get finished. I'm gonna dip you with candy apple. Get those bags. Give me those candy apple bags over there. Put that cocky in. Over there, girl. Give me those bags. Now you're getting on my last nerves. Bring it here. Man, you don't leave me alone, little lady. Look.
Okay, so I see my daughter want to be in this kitchen, and I think she's just really wanting to aggravate me and bother me because she knows I'm doing this tutorial for you guys. So I am going to place, I wanted to show you all how to place your candy apples in the bag. So once, like I said so many times, once I'm done dipping all of my apples, I go ahead and bag my apples. This prevents the candy apple from becoming sticky, and also make sure your house is cool below 70 degrees. After I bag my apples, I am going to go ahead and put some twist ties on. Some silver twist ties came with these bags, but I am not going to put bows on today because this is a plain order. Now I know the bags are decorative, but I got these from the Dollar Tree, so it's a win-win situation. It's not too plain. And these bags, I think it was 25 that came in the pack, and they come with the little silver twist ties, and I'm going to use those. So plain orders are just one color, wooden stick, clear bag. But in this case, I have decorative bags, and like I said, these come from the Dollar Tree. So now I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me bag all these apples and put twist ties on every last one. So I'm going to tell you guys thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Make sure you tell your friends and family about my channel, and don't forget to share my channel. You guys have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm done bagging all these candy apples.